Today we are going to discuss outer chain. An outer chain is similar to equivalent, but it's get also non-matching rows from the table. We in this result non-matching rows. Okay, it categorized left outer chain, right outer chain, and full outer chain. Okay, now first topic we are going to discuss left outer chain. What is the left outer chain? Left outer chain written all rows from the left table specified in the on condition. First table specified in the on condition, and only those rows from right side table where the chain condition is met. Second table, okay, second table where the chain condition is met. First table we are going to get all rows left table specified in the on condition. Okay, this is the first table. Here we are going to get all rows or records. Okay, now first table are records, and second table where chain condition is met. Now we are going to see result. This is a condition. In this condition, here see left outer chain. Now we are going to discuss okay, going to enter see here paste. Now see here order number. Now I am going to see this is my order table. Select start from here order NO underscore NO. Now we are going to modify column name order NO. Okay, now see it's showing enter order NO. Now see these are first table. There is this is the first table. See here these are our records. Now records count 15 records. Okay, second table 3 records. Okay, and first table 1 2 3 4 5 column is not there. See here supplier ID is not there. Okay, this condition. See here just go and check how many records are printed. 15 records. First table all rows, and second table where chain condition is met. Okay, this is a left outer chain. The first table are records. Here see left HRA where order by ID. Okay, check 30. See here there same way 1 2 3 4 5 there is no ID. Okay, see here order ID is 1 2 3 4 5. This yet not there. Here chain condition it will met only 30 and 31 records are there. Okay, go and check here 30 and 31. 30 and 31. Okay, this is the left outer chain. Left outer chain first table are records. Second table right side second table where condition is met. Condition met only 2 records. This way we completed left outer chain. Same way we are going to complete right outer chain. Right outer chain written all rows from the right side specified in the on condition. Here right side second table all records will displayed. Those those rows from the other table where join condition is met. Now we are going to use right outer join. See here, this is a table, right outer join. Now we are going to draw the outer join. Address city. Order there is no city. Okay, see here, there is no city column. Just what I am going to do, just I removed city column. Now enter. Number, order number. Where is my order number? There is a column is NO. See here, NO. Just give control space. See here, it will come. Okay, these all are records. See here, second table records. Now second table records, 3 records. Now I am going to enter one more record. Okay, today date is June 18. Okay, June 18. Same way June. Okay, now I am going to commit. Okay, just go select 4 records in right outer chain 4 records. Okay, these all are 4 records where condition is met. See here, just go here, you can give this name also, order supplier ID. Okay, it will show order supplier ID. First column is I am going to give order supplier ID. Okay, now enter. See here, these all are order supplier ID. Okay, this way we are getting 4 records. Here just check 4 records. See here, these 4 records where condition is met from right joining supplier. This is a right joining. Second table we are going to get all records from second table. Second table is here. Left is the first table, right is the second table. Here we are getting the second table R rows where condition is met first table records. Now see here, first table is supplier having many records. Just control Z. Okay, okay, just I am going to minimize. Okay, see here, this is a first table, 15 rows. Okay, these all are rows. From right table order how many records? Just we have 4 records. This order just we are getting only 4 records. Right joining, here right side table, second table. Now we are going to check one more time. See here, second table R records where first table records are matched. This way we are completing right outer joining. Okay, full outer joining. We are going to see full outer joining. What is the definition? Full outer join. Return all rows from left hand table and right hand table. It place null where join condition is not met. If a chain condition is not met, it will place null records. Now I am going to copy full outer join. Okay. Otherwise, here just I am going to change full full outer chain. Just click enter. See here, conditions are not matched. It will display all null. Okay, these all are condition is matched. Only 4 records. R records. These all are matching. If you are not matched, it will display null. See here, it not matched. Display null. Here also it not matched. Supplier name. It display null. This way we are completing full outer joining. Full outer joining. What is the query? Display. It will place null where the join condition is not met. See here, join condition is not met. It will display null. Okay. Same way this condition is not met. See here, just go and check 15 tables. Just give here like this. See here, these all are not met. Okay, it will display null. Okay, supplier IDs. Now we are going to see one more time. See here, supplier IDs is not met. It display are null. Okay, this way we are completing outer joins. Next topic, equi-joining. We will see next topic, equi-joining. Okay, now I am going to stop.